In this video, I will show you how to fix an error during video rendering in Sony Vegas, the error with code 0x80660008, or a similar error. This error occurs if you start rendering video using the GPU codec. In Sony Vegas, you can choose between two codecs, the GPU codec or the CPU codec. If you use the GPU codec for video rendering, this error appears. So now I will show you two ways to fix this error. The first method is the simplest. You can use the CPU codec for rendering video. You can switch to the AVC codec, and the video will render successfully using the CPU codec. But the rendering time will increase 2 or 3 times. It will depend on the power of your processor. This first method helps, but it increases video rendering time. Therefore, this method is not very suitable for us, and now we move on to the second method. To fix this error using the second method, you need to find out what causes this error. In my case, the error appeared after updating the graphics card drivers. Also, on the NVIDIA forum, one of the users wrote that he had the same error. This user also cannot render video with the graphics card on this new version of the graphics card drivers. Therefore, to fix this error, we need to roll back the driver to the previous version. We open the NVIDIA website and select our device, our graphics card. I will leave a link to the site in the description. Don't forget to choose your operating system. After that, click on Search for drivers. Here we see the new version that is causing this problem, but we need the previous version. So, to view and download previous versions, you need to select View More Versions. Next, we choose the previous version 581 and download it. You can choose either the Game Ready or Studio driver. If you play games, I recommend selecting and downloading the Game Ready version. After downloading the driver, you need to run the installer. There is no need to change the installation path. Just continue and install this previous version of the driver. But if you get an error during installation, it means you selected the wrong version of your graphics card and downloaded the wrong driver. If you correctly specified the name of your graphics card, you will be able to successfully install the downloaded driver. After the installation is complete, you need to close the installer and restart your computer. After restarting the computer, we launch the same project created in Sony Vegas and start rendering the video. We select the graphics card codec. In my case, it's the NVIDIA encoder. After that, the video rendering started successfully. The problem is fixed, and the error does not appear. This error occurred due to improperly updated drivers for the NVIDIA graphics card. It's possible that NVIDIA developers made a mistake and will fix it in future updates. However, it's better not to use the graphics card driver version 591. If this error appears on other driver versions, you can fix it using this method. That's all. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.